Challenges come into our lives not to stop us, but to show us what we're made of. I hope that you remember when storms come and unexpected challenges arise that you are strong enough not only to handle them, but to transform the situation into something beautiful and beneficial. Never doubt your worth or your strength. We all need reminders of our strength from time to time. So Jane Vincellis designed this beautiful shawl to remind you just how amazing and how strong you are. As Jane said, there's something oddly comforting about short summer storms. They're a welcome break from the intense heat and sun of the day and a reminder of the powerful beauty of nature. If you are new here, head to expressionfiberarts.com and sign up for email updates. You're going to get exclusive coupon codes and free knit and crochet patterns. We release new patterns like this one, both knit and crochet, weekly, so you're going to get news about those as well as exclusive coupon codes you won't find anywhere else, and I'm going to send you little dollops of inspiration that will make your day brighter. This pattern features a gorgeous lacy edge that's very easy to work and a simple garter stitch body that grows as you go. I love how this lacy edge really does remind me of Turbulence. It shifts back and forth, but then you have this smooth, calm garter stitch body, which is very relaxing and comforting. I really love the curved shape too. It'll wear so well and really stay put, hugging your shoulders. And another exciting thing, to create this beautiful gradient, we used a new yarn kit and a new yarn base. This is our first pattern released in our new Crema Sock yarn. This stuff is luscious. It is a blend of Superwash Merino Wool and silk, and it takes the dye so beautifully. You get rich, saturated colors, like in this resolute hues, which we used for the shawl. It's a beautiful blend of smoky teals and navy tones. This yarn base also has a stunning amount of structure. It's incredibly soft on the skin. It has a beautiful shimmer and it drapes gorgeously. I also love that it has a nice high twist, so your project is gonna wear well over time. It's great for all kinds of garments and accessories, and we truly hope you love it. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to work the first 10 rows of this pattern. If you can work those, you can work the rest. I just wanna show you how easy this pattern actually is. We're gonna start by casting on 19 stitches with color A. So I'm just gonna use a long tail cast on. So there's 3, 4, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Count just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, let's move into row number 1. Super easy row. You're just gonna knit every stitch. So 19 knit stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 18 and 19. So there's row number 1. Now let's move into row 2. Now we're gonna do row 2, which is the right side of our project. So you're gonna start with a knit 2. Then you're gonna yarn over, slip, slip, knit. So slip the next stitch, slip the next stitch, and then knit those two together, which is such an easy stitch, but it's always a challenge for me on camera for some reason. So you're gonna do that 4 times. Yarn over, slip, slip, knit, slip, slip, knit. So that's 2. Yarn over, slip, slip, knit, slip, slip, knit. One more time, yarn over, slip, slip, knit. So that's 4 times. Then you're going to yarn over and finish with a knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For row 3, you're going to start with a knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then you're going to purl 7, so bring the yarn to the front and purl the next 7 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then knit 2, yarn over, and then knit 2. And there's row 3 for you. Okay, for row number 4, you're going to start with a knit 2, 1 and 2, and then yarn over and knit 2, knit 2. Now we're going to do slip, slip, knit, yarn over 4 times. So slip, slip, knit, yarn over. So there's one, slip, slip, knit, yarn over. There's two, slip, slip, knit, yarn over. There's three. One more time, slip, slip, knit, yarn over. There's four. Then you're going to finish off with a knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And there's row 4. For row number 5, you're going to start with a knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you're going to purl 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you're going to knit 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then finish with a yarn over and a knit 2. And there's row 5. For row 6, you're going to start with a knit 2, and then a yarn over, and then knit 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to do more slip, slip, knits. So slip, slip, knit, yarn over, and we're going to do that 4 times. So that's 1. Let's do it again. Slip, slip, knit, yarn over. That's 2. Slip, slip, knit, I promise I can work these. Yarn over. That's 3, and slip, slip, knit. Yarn over. That's 4. Okay, then you're going to finish off with a knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For row 7, we're going to start with a knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you're going to knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then yarn over and finish off your row with a knit 2. Very easy. For row number 8, you're going to start with a knit 2 and a yarn over, and then knit 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And now more slip, slip, knit, yarn overs. Slip, slip, knit, yarn over. That's 1. Slip, slip, knit, yarn over. That's 2. Slip, slip, knit, yarn over. That's 3, and slip, slip, knit, yarn over. That's 4. Then finish off with an easy knit 9. Doop and doop. And there's row 8. For row 9, we're going to start with a knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now bring the yarn to the front and you're going to purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now yarn to the back and you're going to knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna finish off your row with a yarn over and a knit 2. 1 and 2. Very easy. Now we're on to row 10. So you're gonna start with a knit 2 for this row. 1 and 2, and then yarn over and work a knit stitch. Then you're gonna repeat 4 times, yarn over, knit 2 together. So just knit those next 2 stitches together, turning 2 into 1. So that was 1. Now yarn over, knit 2 together. That's 2. Yarn over, knit 2 together. That's 3. And then yarn over, knit 2 together. And that's 4. Now you're going to knit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now you're going to yarn over, knit 2 together 4 times. Yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, that's 3, and yarn over, knit 2 together, that's 4. And there is row 10 for you. So you can see what we've got going so far. You've got some garter stitch happening here, and you can see this beautiful lacy stitch starting to open up in this part of the shawl. Super simple. I told you there's nothing super challenging in this pattern. You just keep following the pattern as written and you're gonna end up with this stunning masterpiece. All of the details for this pattern, including color change, row counts, needle size, etc., are included in the pattern PDF at expressionfiberarts.com. We hope you enjoy it just as much as we enjoy designing and making it for you. Know today that you can absolutely handle whatever might come your way. You are stronger than you realize and capable of so much more than you know. Thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate it, and I am going to see you next week with another new pattern. Bye-bye for now. Mwah.